As an AI language model, GTP designed to process and generate responses to a wide range of questions on various topics. However, there may be certain questions or scenarios that could potentially confuse GTP, especially if they involve ambiguity. When a question is ambiguous and lacks clarity, it can be difficult for GTP to understand the intended meaning. Contradictions. If a question contains contradictory information, it can be challenging for GTP to determine the correct response. Lack of context. Without sufficient context or background information, GTP may not be able to generate an accurate or relevant response. Complex logic or reasoning. Questions that involve complex logical reasoning or multiple steps can be challenging for GTP to process and respond to accurately. Unfamiliar or obscure topics. If a question relates to an obscure or niche topic that I have not encountered before, GTP may not have the necessary knowledge or information to generate a response. However, even in situations where GTP may be initially confused, GTP am designed to learn and adapt from my interactions with users, and GTP will always strive to provide the most helpful and accurate response possible.